back to Tony the Technician's channel. And I know on the last video for the Camaro parts, I said I was going to do another video for all the big stuff. There's only 3 or 4 items, so I'm going to do an unboxing for each one. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Spectre dual intake plenum. I also got some air filters for it and everything, so you guys can check out the one that I got. They also have low profile ones, single inlet, dual inlet, all different kinds. So if you haven't checked out Spectre's intakes, go ahead and check them out. I think they're pretty nice. Let's get into this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, YouTubers, so just know that a majority of everything I order for my Camaro is mainly Summit or Jigs, once in a while Amazon or eBay, but this is from Summit. I've already opened it up. This one is part number 761. It's the plenum kit dual with 45-degree tubes. Not exactly cheap. This stuff is not cheap. I think, if I remember correctly, it was around $200. So you get your clamps, you get 4 clamps, you get 2 45-degree angle tubes. You can also order other tubes as well. This is 4-inch tubing, so nice and big, plenty of airflow. And then you get the main part packaged pretty well right here in this nice little cloth bag. Now you also get a couple of the rubber sleeves to attach your 45-degree tubing. The other one's still here in the bag right here. So with this, it is nice. In the last video you guys saw the wing nut that I got. It was just a circle. It's meant specifically for this. As you can tell, they didn't do the best job polishing this thing. Kind of see, and then you can kind of see here. So you think for $200 or so it would be a little bit nicer, but overall I'm satisfied with it. They could have done a little bit better job on it, but overall it's going to do a good job, and I think it's going to look really good in the car. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing put together, and I'll show you the air filters real quick and see what it looks like. Okay, so there is the intake with the elbows installed. These are 45-degree angle elbows, 4-inch tubing. Nice and big. Should get plenty of airflow. Works with almost every carb. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of polish this up with some chrome polish and see if it looks any better. It doesn't look bad. I just got fingerprints all over it, and then I'll install the air filters as well. Okay, so after polishing it up, looks a lot better. Didn't completely wipe it down, you know. Not a perfect job. I'm gonna put my hands all back over it anyways. But I also did pick up these Spectre 4-inch air filters. They are 10.7 inches tall, so they are long air filters. I believe these are around $25 a piece. Part number, information. I did get black. And that's the filter itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these put on and see how it looks. So there she is, all put together. I think this thing's gonna look really mean on there. Keep in mind you can also angle these 45s whichever way you want to make clearance in front of the engine, maybe away from your pulleys, stuff like that. And then you can also add more tubing, which I might do, and get some long tubing and run these down in front of the wheel wells, out of the way of everything, but that'll come later. I think this is gonna look pretty mean, look really good and nice and clean. So overall, for $250, I'm satisfied, but there are still some cons. They can definitely do a little bit better job right there cleaning this up and all that. Other than that, it's really clean, it's really nice. It should work really good with my setup. So let me know what you guys think of this intake. This is, once again, the Spectre dual intake plenum. Part number 761. If you guys haven't checked them out, they have a lot. If you haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of different intakes, a lot of good stuff, a lot of different price ranges. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.